If you wake up feeling tired, unmotivated, or overwhelmed, this message is for you. What you listen to every morning programs your mind. Today, you choose strength. Today, you choose clarity. Today, you activate your daily positive power. Good morning, and welcome to the first day of the rest of your life. I want you to listen to this every single morning to reset your mind, to rewire your thinking, and to reclaim your power. Before the world tells you who you should be, before the doubts creep in, before yesterday's worries try to steal today's peace, I want you to listen to this. Your day is a blank canvas, and your first thought is the first brush stroke. What will you paint? Will it be a masterpiece of your own design, or will you let negativity smudge the canvas before you even begin? The moment your eyes open, you have a choice, a single powerful decision. Will you let the ghosts of yesterday haunt you, or will you greet the sunrise with a warrior's heart? Will you allow the mental chatter of what could go wrong to take over, or will you command your mind to focus on what can go right? This is your first battle of the day, and it's the most important one. Win this battle and you set the stage for victory after victory. Don't let negativity take root. The second a doubtful or anxious thought enters your mind, silence it. Replace it, acknowledge it, and then dismiss it. It has no power over you unless you give it power. One positive decision right now to own this day changes everything. Decide that today you will be in control. Decide that today you will look for the good. Decide that today you will not be a victim of circumstance, but the creator of your reality. This is your morning mind reset. Let's talk about consistency. Motivation is a feeling. It's a spark. It's exciting, it's powerful, but it's also fleeting. It comes and goes like the tide. If you rely solely on motivation to achieve your goals, you will fail. Habits, on the other hand, are what carry you when motivation is nowhere to be found. Habits are the engine that drives you forward on the cold, dark, difficult days. Winners aren't people who are always motivated. They are people who are always disciplined. They show up, they do the work. They put in the reps, day in and day out, whether they feel like it or not. This is the secret sauce. This is the difference between dreaming and doing. Small, daily actions are the building blocks of massive transformation. Reading 10 pages a day is over 3,600 pages a year. A 15-minute walk every day is over 90 hours of exercise a year. Saving a few dollars a day builds a fortune over time. These small actions seem insignificant in the moment, but compounded over weeks, months, and years, they create an unstoppable momentum. They build the life you desire. Stop waiting for the perfect moment or a burst of inspiration. Start building the habit. Show up for yourself today, especially if you don't feel like it. That's when it counts the most. Every time you push through that resistance, you're casting a vote for the person you want to become. Now, let's rewire your mind. Understand this. Your words are commands. The words you speak, and more importantly, the words you repeat to yourself in the silence of your own mind, are programming your subconscious. What you say to yourself becomes your belief. Your belief becomes your reality. If you constantly tell yourself, "I can't do this," "I'm not good enough," "it's too hard," then you are commanding your mind to find evidence to make that true. You are literally building a mental prison and locking yourself inside. It's time to break free. It's time to change the script. You must become the gatekeeper of your mind and consciously choose the words that build you up, not the ones that tear you down. Replace doubt with powerful affirmations. Instead of "I can't," say, "I am learning how." Instead of "I'm afraid of failing," say, "I am willing to try." Instead of "I'm not worthy," say, "I am deserving of success and happiness." These are not just nice sounding phrases. They are tools. They are weapons. Repeat them. Write them down. Say them out loud in the mirror. Say them until they drown out the voice of doubt. Say them until they become your automatic response. What you repeat becomes your belief. So what reality are you choosing to create today with your words? Speak power into your life. Speak victory. Speak strength. Feel that fire rising within you. That is your inner strength. You are stronger today than you were yesterday. Think about every challenge you have ever faced. Every heartbreak, every failure, every moment you thought you couldn't go on. You are still here. You survived. Not only did you survive, but you grew. Pain is not your enemy. It is your instructor. It reveals the depths of your resilience. It carves out new spaces for strength to grow. Growth requires discomfort. You don't build muscle by lifting weights that are easy. You build muscle by pushing against resistance, by tearing the fibers so they can rebuild stronger. Your life, your character, your spirit, it's the exact same principle. So when you face discomfort today, when you face a challenge, when you feel the strain, do not shrink from it. Lean into it. See it for what it is, an opportunity to get stronger. It is a test, and you have been training for it your entire life. Every obstacle you overcome adds another layer to your armor. Every fear you conquer fuels your inner fire. Stop telling yourself you're weak. You are a warrior forged in the fires of adversity. Remember the battles you have already won, and know that you have the strength to win the battle you face today. You are more powerful than you know. It's time to become unstoppable. And the key is to stop waiting. Stop waiting for confidence. Stop waiting to feel ready. Stop waiting for someone else's permission. Confidence is not a prerequisite for action. It is a result of action. You don't feel confident and then act. You act and then you start to feel confident. Act first and the belief will follow. Take that first step, even if your legs are trembling. Make that call, even if your voice is shaking. Do the thing you are afraid of doing. Courage is not the absence of fear. It's acting in spite of fear. The most successful people in the world feel fear just like you do. The difference is they don't let fear make their decisions. They feel the fear and do it anyway. This is where discipline comes in. Discipline is your superpower. People think discipline is about restriction, but they have it backward. Discipline creates freedom. The discipline to manage your money creates financial freedom. The discipline to take care of your body creates the freedom of health and energy. The discipline to master your craft creates the freedom of opportunity and success. Every time you choose discipline over immediate gratification, you are choosing your future freedom. You are building a life by design, not by default. Act. Take the first step. The belief will catch up. As we close, I want you to make a commitment. Not to me, but to yourself. Commit to showing up every single day. Commit to doing this mental work. Commit to being the guardian of your mind and the architect of your life. This isn't just another day. This is your moment. Right now. This is your chance to draw a line in the sand and declare that the old ways of thinking are over. The old limitations are gone. Today is the day you start building the unstoppable, powerful, positive version of you. Remember, your future is not written in the stars. It is written in your daily habits, in your daily thoughts, in your daily actions. Tomorrow starts right now with the mindset you choose to adopt today. Go out there and own this day. Create something magnificent. Be the force for good you were born to be. You've got this. Now go win the day. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you back here tomorrow morning to do it all again.